7 Surprising Uses for Denture Tablets. Has your favorite hot beverage left brown stains on your mugs, cups, tea kettle or coffee pot? Just drop a denture tab or two into the stained vessel, add water, and allow it to sit for a while. The stain should lift right up when you wipe it with a dish rag. Sure beats going after it with elbow grease. Vases often look cloudy after holding a bouquet. To restore a glass vase to its original shine, fill it with water, and drop a single denture tablet inside. Let it sit until the tab stops fizzing. Then, rinse the vase out, and all of that cloudiness should be gone. Sure beats trying to squeeze your hand or a scrub brush into the tight neck of a vase. Banish tomato stains from your plastic food storage containers with the help of denture tabs. Just fill each stained container with water, drop a tab in, and allow them to soak overnight. It'll lift the stains better than anything else you've tried. Cutting through all that baked-on grease that gets left behind on glass bakeware is more than ordinary dish soap can do. You could try one of the many labor-intense cleaning methods circulating on Pinterest, but we recommend denture tabs for this job, too. Just fill your baking dishes with water, pop in a tab or two, allow them to soak overnight, then, give your pan a good scrub in the morning. This will lift that baked-on grime right off. When soaking a pan isn't enough to remove stuck-on, burnt-on food, add a denture tab to the soak water, and go about the rest of your kitchen cleanup. By the time water marks with everything else, the food should lift right off with minimal scrubbing. Pop a couple of denture tablets in your toilet, allow them to sit until they stop fizzing, then, give your toilet a good scrub. The tabs will kill germs and remove hard water stains, just like a store-bought toilet bowl cleaner, but at a fraction of the price, and with no harsh chemical smells. Mineral deposits clog the nozzles on your shower head over time, resulting in a less intense spray. For an easy fix, just fill a bag with water, add a denture tab, then rubber band it around your shower head. Allow it soak for several hours, so the mineral deposits have a chance to soften up. Then, remove the bag, and give your shower head a quick scrub with a firm brush to remove any remaining gunk. Denture tabs can also be used to remove mineral deposits from your tea kettle and coffee maker. To clean your tea kettle, just fill the kettle with water, drop a denture tab in, allow it to soak for a few hours, and follow up with a good scrub. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.